The most important part is a customer finding the right boat. Once that's happened, Stephanie Herrera, our business manager, gets involved. She cares about our customers and makes sure that they are getting the best possible options when it comes to finance and insurance.
I am responsible for letting the customer know of all of the extended options that MarineMax has to offer. Financing, warranty protection on the boat, titling and documentation of the vessel, as well as insurance options. It just makes the purchase process very easy for the client.
If it's a first-time purchase or if they're upgrading to a bigger boat, we're not just going to go away once the transaction's over. I think that people really appreciate that and they decide to buy with MarineMax, and that's when it really kind of starts.
It's also important, not just as the business manager, but as a team member of MarineMax Miami, you want to make the customer feel welcome the moment that they walk into our doors. I am very, very proud to be a part of the MarineMax Miami family. Just the happiness that they've instilled in me, I just want to share it with the world, with our customers, as we welcome them to our boating family.